What do you think? They're hot.
Bone.
Go take the bone out.
I can't. I just swallowed it.
You want bread?
No, I'm good. That's close.
I grilled that, y'all. I did that.
It's good.
I grilled that outside.
Tastes like
In the sun. I mean, in the rain.
Tastes like chicken.
Thank you for my good peoples. Love y'all. Peace. Look at that. It's like Western style. I grilled that. Oh, me. Oh, thank me. Thanks me so much. Thank me. Thank me. And I make fire with the wet woods. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't even want fish. I make it for them. In the rain.
Woo!
Mm-hmm.
All that atomic sauce you put on that food.
That's turmeric, child.
Turmeric. I'm talking about the damn hot sauce you put on that.
In the turmeric.
Turmeric is not spicy.
Shush. When you mix it with ginger, it is.
Ginger's spicy by itself.
I mix it with ginger. I mix the turmeric with ginger.
What you know about turmeric?
I'm black.
Okay. I'll leave that one alone.
Tell the good people it's good.
It's good, y'all. Tastes like chicken.
Good seasoning.
Oh yeah, seasoning is great. She got her homemade hot sauce on here. Good seasoning.
And it's raining outside, y'all. I make that fire.
Fire still going?
Because I know what I'm doing. Thank God to my ancestors.
Your ancestors?
Yeah. My Chinese folks I'll be watching on YouTube. Thank y'all. Xie. Konnichiwa.
It's Chinese.
And my African people. Thank you. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Thank you. To my African babes, people who know how to make fire. And my Chinese people who be in the wood cooking. You're gonna be like, what she say? She don't know either. She just try to say her good people thank you. And she just make this fool son to eat out of wet woods in the rain. Sheesh. Thank me so much. I know, right? Thank me. Bye, y'all. What you want to tell the good people?
Konnichiwa.